Did you know that in CapCut you have two different ways on how you can use all of the Pro features for free? So, as you probably know, many features in CapCut are paid features. Many cool different features in effects, in transitions, in video editing, in audio editing, hundreds and hundreds of different features that are paid. So for example, let's add this effect here. Let's play the video. Good. Now, if you would like to export this video, we have a problem because we are using the following Pro features material. So we cannot export it at all. What we can do is go to the full screen and then open any of your screen recording tools that you have. In Windows, for example, snipping tool is free screen recording tool. You have OBS, you have many other free tools that you can use. Start the screen recording tool, play the video, and play the video to the end, and then you will have complete CapCut Professional edit exported for free. So that's the one way. The other way how you can use all of the CapCut Pro features for free is to downgrade CapCut. So go to the following website, updown.com, or just search in Google downgrade CapCut, click on this version, download it and install it on your computer. You can do that for Windows, for Mac, for Android, whatever you use. Have in mind that when you download this version and install it on a computer, it will reinstall over your current version, but you will have all of the Pro features available for free. And of course, you can do that whether you are using full-length video or just creating shorts. So for example, 9:16, let's drag this to full screen. And then once again, turn on your screen recorder, screen record, do whatever you need, and then you can again export into the CapCut and do some free editing if you would like. But as mentioned, all of those will be available, let's say for free, as some kind of a workaround. Also, you can do similar thing on your Android device or Apple device where you can screen record your mobile phone. So yeah, I hope that you find this video valuable and interesting, and if you did, please do like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye bye.